Like, you know how I be fucking around with this GTX stuff.
Alright. So if you heard that,
I don't know what's going on right now.
we trying to get to Excitement Radio because my dog is gonna be doing an interview, and he dropping this new single. And UGLI, you gotta love it. The shit bang.
Appreciate that, homie.
Bang! And guess who came out of the studio?
Yo, Juice Beats, what's up?
Juice Beats he never leaves his computer when he's making beats. That's why he's Juice Beats. It's like the computer is permanently attached to his hand. We had to do a whole bunch of stuff to get his hands off the computer. No homo. But anyways, there's a lot of fucking traffic, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of fucking traffic, and the nigga is running late as fuck. I really gotta be on time for these shits.
Oh man.
But shout out to Excitement Radio for having us. Dope image.
You
You know what I'm saying? Because they ain't have to do this for a nigga, man. They ain't have to do this, but they did it. They did it for us. So yeah.
Right? Had a long weekend,
yeah,
I tell you,
it was a long weekend.
Yes, always a long weekend, but when you on that grind. So what's up, Mikey?
Yes, sir.
What's up, man?
Yeah, chilling, man.
I get the flow, man. I see kind of flow you got right there, man. You got that bounce flow, man. You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate it, man. Like vibe music.
Yeah, you got that vibe. There you go, that vibe flow. That's how you got. Hold on, we gotta call it here. Hold on. Call it. You live? What's up? Oh, yes. Yes.
We just wrapped up Mikey Flight's interview. The video will be up, so if you missed it, you can catch some of it. You know what I'm saying? But my dog did a great interview, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about, professionalism, and you know what I'm saying? And now y'all know I always try to motivate anybody that watches me and watches what I do. But understand that these are the things that you have to do as an artist to make it far, to get where you need to go. And that's the thing, is you have to be professional, you have to network, you have to put in that work. If you don't put in that work, you just gonna sit at the crib and do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Eating ramen noodles and animal crackers.
That shit hurts.
And you gonna have problems. And you gonna have problems with your bladder.
And your bowels.
Baby bladder ass nigga. Yacht party. Yeah. Dope, blood don't make us family, baby. Loyalty to us. Ain't nobody more loyal than you. So let's build and let's make these moves. You know? In pursuit of luxury, dreams to this day, you're running my own company. My dad used to say, pay attention to the company you keep, cause some can lift you up and others are like shackles on your feet. Same niggas that claim you're homie, you can have beef with. Smashing the same chick that you always sleep with. Everybody got a plate, but everybody you can't eat with. So trust no one, but keep your the best kept secret. So you mind now, they witness me fly high without a blunt, bro. This story is untold, it's a long road. It'll get hot, it'll turn cold. As long as I bond hold, that's how far we'll go. You say it's real, then I believe you. You say you gon' take me high, then goddamn it, I'm an eagle. But put in this work, we gon' keep it together. We gon' make this work, and that's my word. And I'll be damned if I go back on it. I'm coming from nothing, and I'll be damned if I go back on it.
I got your back, you got mine. We that new body and Clyde. Let me take you high, high. I'ma take you high. I got your back, you got mine. We that new body and Clyde. Let me take you high, high.
We make moves, we make love, we fight, but never break up. Our foundation is strong, this world will never shake us. But hot intentions, like ugly chicks wearing makeup. Blemishes on your soul can never be covered up. Your acne flaring up, she say God is love, and love is sacrifice. I hope God pair us up in the afterlife. Cause she the type you have to like, the type you have to wipe, the type to get it all, or she'll never have to ask me twice. It's rare to find a woman to support the grind, who believe in your skills and help you make the cash multiply. She say I'm an angel and I wanna fly, so she'll be my wings so I can reach.